Need more top end, for sure.
Oh, definitely. That shit maxes.
Hit the bottom, yeah.
Yo.
He said bring your charger.
2.8 though. That's not bad though.
That's just the high pinion gear.
Good, babe.
Yo,
baby. Get it.
I hope you got that on the video.
Hey, wow, baby. Let's get it. 2-3. 2-3. I wanted that yellow thing. I wanted that.
What I told you was gonna run.
I wanted that yellow thing.
Yeah, I just told him that. He said. Yeah, I just wanted to get through there.
Got it.
All right.
They got that yellow thing.
Won't get it no more though.
Me, not driving it.
And bring that ass here, boy.
Not driving it. 2509, 2532.
He got the. Yeah, he got the 2-3. He got.
Bring that yellow thing back. Fuck it. I'm gonna give you that brake back. Let me get it back. That monster in here too. I red light, fuck.
Yeah.
Bring it back. You red light.
I know.
Get it, baby. Red light. Get it back. Yeah, yellow shit.
He hype. It's alright. He got some phones. He hype. We should go straight.
Oh, he got phones?
Yeah, he
too?
got his AVC turned up to the max.
Oh, he's driving itself?
Yeah, she go straight as hell.
Oh, yeah, you turn the steering shit on. I'm like, bro,
me up.
that's cheap.
Oh, you know what you can.
See what he does, nigga? He makes people flip the fuck over.
What? I just told him I'm trying a new setup here. Don't worry.
You red light?
That's 4-wheel drive. This 2-wheel.
They don't got nothing for that one. They put that one in.
Get your purple car, bro. Fuck you.
Damn it.
That was close. You gonna warm him up, man?
I'm ready.
Start him up.
I shut my bed down. He talking big dookie shit. He got phones on there running the 2-3. He hype.
No. Wait for the yellow. There you go. There you go. You ever see a murder before?
What happened? Don't crash now. Don't crash. Don't crash.
Yo, about time you take something to baby. 2-0. Hey yo, 2-0. How many cars you take you from? How many times took y'all niggas?
Oh.
Hey yo, how many cars took you?
1 4-wheel drive.
Whoa.
Those 2 2-wheel.
How many cars?
Hey, yeah, he got a 4-wheel. He's beating me with 2.
Hey.
Bring that 2-wheel out.
Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on. Put it back. Hey, listen.
It's ready? Or he hit the system?
Against 7
I think he hit it.
Hey, it's 1 against 7. Ain't no way.
Yeah.
I just changed everything. I was running on 0 timer instead of auto.
He's like, oh shit.
Now I'm
starting over again. That's 9. Damn.
Yeah, I see the slow as shit.
And the battery charge? Yo.
Oh, man.
That's it.
My man.
This go crazy.
He red lighted.
Hey, Trey.
She was floating. You good? What's up with you in this full throttle shit?
that?
There you go, Johnny. There you go, bro. Look at that. Oh, nice pass.
Redwood.
I Redwood.
2-6, Johnny. Too much, Johnny. Don't take him like that, Johnny.
What's the one that you might win?
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
Yeah, everybody.
You good now?
I'm good, your ass.
Once them shits too tight start hooking, boy, he gonna be hooking and booking on your ass. It was going too. It was going too. Pods.
No, I know that. I know.
Drizzy's take on nuts.
Try to eliminate it altogether. We got no
Good
problem
race.
getting down the track.
You had enough to get your car where you want it, so all you gotta do is keep working from there.
Yeah, that thing's gonna be stiff and low.
Yeah, yeah, I'm done too because I can't really see right now.
I can't see shit. I don't know where shit.
I know I'm in the 2.3s, but I need to get faster. That boy kicked my ass on Sunday.
2.3 still fast.
Shit wasn't fast enough for Saturday. Hey, it wasn't fast enough for Saturday.
Can't win them all, bro.
You're right. But that's the object though, right? To race and get faster.
That's why I gave my spot up. I had to leave anyway. But then I was like, there's no way I'm gonna win any money, so I'm not.
Who knows? Look, he made it to the fucking finals.
Fuck up to it.
Yo, you crazy? Yo, I said, yo, this man gave his spot up, bro, to Kush, right?
Next time I'm charging him 30.
The pot was fucking $600 and something dollars? $500 and something dollars?
Yeah.
And he walked away from that.
I gotta go home.
I know, I said, I told you right before you left, I said, yo, the pot $500 and something dollars, you must got something more important to do.